Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be getting into a few sneakers that I think are good holds right now, or again, just some of the best sneaker investments you guys can be looking at. If you like holding on to sneakers or just keeping some of the inventory, back here that you can just sell a couple years later and be up on, then these are some pairs I'd be looking at, as good ones to keep in the inventory. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, if y'all do want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we will shoot for is 300 likes. If you can do that, that'd be great. If not, again, it's no worries. You guys can also check out my IGs down below. We got a website coming this week, so make sure you guys again check out my Instagram. We got tons of stuff for sale on my story right now. If anything interests you, hit my DMs. We got tons of kicks, streetwear, things like that. Do not miss out. Also, gonna be back on Whatnot shortly as well, so check out that link down below. And yeah, that's really everything we need to say. So I hope y'all will enjoy. We're gonna get into it, and let's see if y'all like these pairs. So the first one to get into, we've mentioned this the last few videos, so this is going to be just a quick honorable mention, brief mention. The Supreme SB Ink Dunk Low. I mean, I don't feel like this is one that's too, how can I put this? We know this one's a hold. You know what I mean? There's just not many of them out there. You can see what the current resale prices are. Size 12 has not dropped in price an inch. Size 13 has actually been going. Look at that. Just had one sell over $600. Hey, I got a 13 back here. I'm no longer asking $550 on it. I'm sorry. So, you know what I mean? Hey, I told you I'll have great pricing, but you know what I mean? Look at what it's changed to now within the last couple days. So you can see this pair is going to be one of those ones that ends up being very, very valuable in the future, just because there's not many of them out there. So understand that about the Supreme SB Dunk Low Ink right off the bat. It's a limited pair. There's not many of them out there. This is going to be one that will be much more expensive in the future. Quick honorable mention. We've mentioned it last few videos though, so I don't want to spend a lot of time on it. And I'm actually going to mention these in today's video, so we'll just actually get into these right now. The Ocean Fogs. These are actually at a low point right now, in my opinion. You can see what a lot of sizes are going for. Some are at like 200 flat. Again, I think this is definitely a low point for this sneaker. So you guys can see, again, most are at that range of 240, 250. I could easily see these again being back at 350, 400 bucks where they were at right before the release. Early, these are going for $700, and I just want y'all to, again, this is a very, very slick pair in hand. We've mentioned these recently as well, so I'll keep it brief. But look at these prices. Again, 240, 250 is disrespect for this nice of a SB Dunk Low. Again, it's a great time if you're a collector to get a lot of these pairs. But man, in the future, I'm just saying, if these are $400, I'm not surprised at all. So I'm looking at these. I'm looking at the inks. Really any ones with this sort of color scheme. I've mentioned that to you guys before. The Ocean Fogs, the Camper Greens, the inks. Those three I think are really, really good holds, along with the all black pair. Those are slick. Another one, we'll keep it brief because again, I've mentioned the Supreme SBs a lot. The Ocean Fogs. These two are the best in my opinion. And the Asia exclusive. Those three. Now next up, I really like this pair as a potential hold as well. The Yeezy 350 Onyx. It's an all black pair of 350s. And again, 350s are as comfortable as anything. People do like them. I'm not going to lie. People still pay good prices for 350s. And you guys can see most are at 270 to 320. And you do see where they're selling much lower. I just want y'all to mention, some are selling much lower than their ask, right? But you can see a lot of these. Look at some of these sales are happening, 428, 428. Some people are willing to pay a lot more for the shoe in different parts of the world. It just shows you StockX is by region, right? And in some regions, the shoe's going for like $400. So I just want to let y'all know, eventually we're going to see this follow all over the world. And the sneaker will eventually be much more expensive. Why? Because they're done dropping these. They aren't making them anymore. There's no restock on the way. And another reason I think, a lot of these 350s, different things like this could be a good hold is because Kanye's working on a new brand right now. Maybe we'll see, I know it's called like Yeezy season or something like that. So again, that could draw some hype to some of these old pairs. I think it's possible. So I just want to mention these quickly. Although that probably isn't realistic, right? Even though we aren't seeing these being made anymore. So, and this is another reason I wanted to mention this as a whole. Look at the chart for this right now. Again, it's at like a perfect point. Look where these used to be, 280, 300 on average, even higher. And look where they're at right now. You know what I mean? 210, that's where a lot of these sales are happening right now. 200 flat to 210. I could easily see these getting back to here. Like, this is not unrealistic at all, especially with Christmas on the way in a couple months. A rise like this could easily happen, especially with the all-black pair of 350s. You know how wearable these are. You know how comfy they are, too. I'm just saying, a lot of these wearable 350 colorways are a little bit cheaper right now, maybe some sizes under retail. I would be looking at those in my opinion. That's my thoughts. Like, these are a classic. The Zebra 350s, man, like, I love these. And I know that these can easily, again, get back to, look at where they were at before. Again, obviously, we're not going to get back to 2021 point, you know what I mean? Because this is a massive restock that happened right here and dropped the price. And they've been dropping ever since. So I don't think these are going to like eventually flip or something, but it's a cool pair. I get nostalgic looking at these. Next up, you could say the OG Fragments. Maybe these will make a little bit of progress before, again, the upcoming Travelers Fragment 2.0, which is coming up. I could see that causing these to maybe go up another 100, 200 bucks just because people are going to want to complete the set. There'll be some people, that got some bread. They're going to go out the way and get this pair and go get the other one. So that's just one thing I want to mention. These could definitely be a hold, but if we're not going to talk about these, why don't we just talk about the ones on the way? Look at what these are going for right now. I just want to show you all this. Look at the prices on this sneaker right now. look at the size 10 ask. Look at the last sale. Like, someone just paid pretty much $5,000 for these after fees. How do you have that? I just wonder how some people have that much money. I mean, obviously I know, I mean, you work hard for it your whole life and that's how you get it. But, like, look, bro, these sales are crazy. So I would just say give these a little bit of time, right? They're going to get a bit cheaper. We have the Travis Scott, site release on the way. But if these lows end up going for like $2,000, $3,000, I'm not going to be too surprised. I mean, look at what they're going for right now. This is like, I haven't seen sales like this often. But let this pair again, let the pairs release, let them get a little bit cheaper. I could see these definitely dropping down to that $1,500, $2,000 range. That'd be a good time to buy in, and these will go up like $500 in most sizes on average. Go look at the last Travis Scott Fragment low. They went up over $500 in all sizes on average. This is going to do the exact same thing pretty much. We just have to let them get to that low point. So this is going to be probably the best hold this year. Just want to mention that. We just need to let them get a little bit cheaper, let people take their L's, let pairs come in, things like that. And yeah, these are going to end up being like an insane hold. I just want to let y'all know I do not see these making like minor progress, if I'm being honest. But buy at the right time. That's a very important thing. And yeah, we have one right back here as well. So again, such a slick pair in hand. You really can't go wrong with something like this. I mean, take a look, bro. Loving these. This is just my size. I might end up like just keeping these for the toe or something. But hey, can't go wrong with something fire like this, bro. I mean, look at everything we got, bro. So fire. So big fan of this one. And finally, I'm going to mention these briefly because I think it's possible they make some progress, but I want to say it's slow and consistent over time. Would probably be the only type of progress these make. You guys can see, again, big sizes are at like 160 right now. I could see them maybe getting to 200, but it'd be kind of a long-term hold, and they did a lot of these. So honestly, I'm just going to kind of mention these briefly. We'll end it right there. There's not really too much more to mention. I just want to give y'all 3 good options for today's video. And those are a few that, again, I really like as holds right now because, again, just where they're at right now, where their market is, or, again, they maybe when they dropped, or just, again, what's on the way. We got Christmas on the way. A lot of people are going to be doing shopping. These are the types of pairs, ones that have, like, high volume right now. The pairs you see selling a lot right now, they're going to be the ones that will continue to sell a lot around Christmas. And those will be the types of pairs that start going up a little bit in price. So be looking at a lot of the high volume ones right now. That's just my opinion. I would be looking at, just some of those. I'm gonna keep it real. Some of the ones that are a little bit lower stock, higher volume. Hey, check that out. So that's everything we really need to say. We mentioned a couple in this video, so hopefully it was helpful to you guys. And if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If you could do that, that'd be great. Make sure you guys check out my Instagrams down below. We got tons for sale on the store if y'all ever want to come shop with us. And of course, got the website coming soon as well, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget, we got the Whatnot Lives down below. We're going to be back there this week. Is there anything else I need to mention? I don't think so. Again, y'all can drop a comment if you need anything. I will definitely try and respond to you guys. If you have a question, anything like that, just let me know. And yeah, that's really everything we need to say. Stay tuned on the IG, though. We got the website coming soon, so hey, big business on the way there. Very, very excited to do that. And yeah, we'll be promoting that page a lot in our IG, so super excited to get that launched. And yeah, that's everything we need to say, y'all. Thank you, guys. Hopefully I will catch y'all in the next video soon. And if I don't, then don't worry. I will see y'all tomorrow. So, or whenever you come back. We post every day over here. So yeah, see you whenever. I'll catch y'all then. Peace.